Somewhere in the ground you've already walked over, there's a target you missed. Not because your detector failed, it was likely because of one of these 5 common mistakes. I've made every single one of them myself, so let's make sure you don't. Let's dig in. Mistake number 1, swinging your coil too fast. Your detector is essentially a computer. It needs time to process the signal under that coil. When you swing too fast, the processor can't keep up and it blows right past those deep, faint targets. The key is to slow down, keep your coil level to the ground, and overlap every single pass. Remember, low and slow is how you find the gold. Mistake number 2 is one I see beginners do all the time, maxing out the sensitivity. It sounds logical, more sensitivity equals more depth, right? Well, not exactly. In reality, maxing it out just picks up ground noise and interference, causing the machine to chatter and give false signals. Back it down until it runs quiet. You'll actually hear the real deep targets much more clearly. Trust your machine's stable signals over the noisy ones every time. Next up, only digging those perfect high-tone signals. If you're cherry-picking only the cleanest signals, you're leaving the best relics behind. Gold rings and deep old coins often sound scratchy or broken because of the soil mineralization or their position. If a signal is repeatable from 2 directions, dig it. Don't let the numbers on the screen fool you. The trash you dig is just the tax you pay for the treasure you keep. Mistake number 4 is skipping the research phase. Most hunters just go to the local park that's been hammered by detectors for decades. The good stuff is where people gathered 100 years ago. Picnic groves, old fairgrounds, or even forgotten swimming holes. Spend 20 minutes with historical maps. It's worth 4 hours of random swinging any day. Research is what separates the finders from the wanderers. Finally, never believe a site is truly cleaned out. Soil conditions change with the rain, and your own skills and equipment are always improving. I've found some of my best relics in spots that had been hunted dozens of times before. Try gridding the area from a completely different direction. You'll be surprised what pops up. Fix just a couple of these, and your find count is going to skyrocket. Comment below with your biggest mistake, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips. Next week we're talking about the best legal places to hunt. Happy hunting!